So today I want to talk about vaccination and medication for your broilers birds. So day one, you go give them glucose, multivitamin, molasses, or chicken honey or sugar, but just choose one, give them. Day 2 to day 4, multivitamin for morning, antibiotics for evening. Day 5 to day 7, anticoccidiosis in the morning, multivitamin in the evening. Day 8, Lasuta vaccine mixed with milk. Day 9, multivitamin. Day 10 to 13, anticoccidiosis and multivitamin. Day 14, Gumboro vaccine. Day 15 to 20, multivitamin. Day 21, second Lasuta vaccine. Day 22 to 23, multivitamin. Day 24 to 26, anticoccidiosis. Day 27, second vaccine of Gumboro. Day 28 to 30, multivitamin. Day 41, just water. Then day 42, treatment for abdomen or their belly side. So from these days on, you will continue to give them clean water because they don't grow and they don't ready to slaughter. So if they healthy, no need to give them vaccine again because they don't ready to chop. And when you give them vaccine when they don't mature, it will feel affect human when they eat them. And again, if you see any sign about old age or the bird don't develop some weakness, try to put electrolyte water so that they go feel drink and they strong for 3 days. So I hope you enjoy this content. See you for my next video. Bye.